Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Instagram something went wrong. So guys, when you open your Instagram or want to open any reel section or story section and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to go back. And guys, after going to back, you need to open your settings in your phone. And guys, after opening your settings, simply you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. And if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi and click on forget, and after forget you need to connect it again with your phone. And guys, if do not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data. And guys, the second method is you need to scroll down, click on app management, click on app list. And guys, after this, here you need to search Instagram. And after searching Instagram, you need to open your Instagram, and here is the option of storage and cache. So guys, simply you need to click on it, click on clear cache and clear storage and click on OK. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. And the third method is you need to update your Instagram app. So guys, how can you update? So guys, simply you can update this app. So guys, you need to open your Play Store, and in Play Store you need to search Instagram, and here is the option of Instagram. So guys, simply you can update your Instagram account from there. So guys, after updating, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to open and use your Instagram smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.